Thank you for joining us today on Digital Atoms. Today I'm going to go over our new addition to the channel, and that is a 2022 Model 3 long-range Tesla. My new Tesla is in the midnight silver metallic paint with the black and white interior. I want to go over the configuration and how much it costs for that. When I purchased it in March, when I placed my order, that was on March 7th, with an estimated delivery date of May 28th to June 29th. And obviously I was pretty excited. At that time, this was right when gas was really starting to shoot up, and it kind of pushed me into deciding to get the Tesla. On March 24th, I received a new estimated delivery date of May 15th to June 29th. Then on April 30th, I received a new estimated delivery date of May 23rd to June 20th. Then following that, I had another update on May 7th, and that was when I got my 2-week window, which was May 27th to June 10th. And then I began to get really excited because I knew that it was not long then before I would be taking delivery of that. And then on May 19th at 10:13 p.m. I received an email and telling me that I had received my VIN number. On May 26th, they contacted me and told me that I needed to pick a date that I was going to come down and pick up my Tesla. And that was between June 2nd and June 6th. Originally, I chose June 4th at 10 a.m. to pick up. But because of trying to find a flight into Newark, New Jersey, we felt it was going to work out better for me to switch my delivery or pickup date to June 3rd at 12 p.m. And so therefore we scheduled our flight as we were flying from Bangor to Springfield, New Jersey, because that was the closest pickup location of my new Tesla. As we take a look at my vehicle configuration as of March 7th when I placed my order, the black and white premium interior is an additional $1,000. I have to say that I'm extremely happy with that white interior. I watched a lot of YouTube videos and it looks like it's pretty easy cleanup. We will see. I don't have any young children or pets that are going to ride in the vehicle, and I'm pretty clean with my vehicle, so I don't think I'm going to have any problems there. I chose to go with the 18-inch Aero wheels so that I could save $1,500 over the 19-inch wheels. Autopilot comes with it. This is not the full self-driving. However, it is basically a glorified cruise control that will keep you in your lane and keep your distance between the vehicle. I did get the Model 3 long range with the dual motor, as I live in a state that has some winter weather, so I wanted to make sure that I had all-wheel drive. At the time when I ordered, the destination fee was $1,125. My documentation fee of $75, an order fee of $250, which is what you place as a down payment. And when you do place that $250 down payment at time of order, it will lock the current price at that moment, and that is the price that you will pay no matter how much it goes up or down until you get your delivery. My total price for my vehicle configuration was $53,440. If I was to order that same Model 3 with the identical configuration, it would be a difference of a total of $5,000. So between the time that I ordered mine and now, the Model 3 long range has gone up $5,000. They also do not any longer put the mobile connector in with your car. You now have to pay an additional $200 if you want that. I did make that cutoff. I believe it was sometime in April where they cut off the vehicles and stop including the mobile connector. So if you were to place an order today on your Tesla online and you wanted that mobile connector, then at the time of placing your order, you would then have to place a down payment of $450, and that would include the mobile connector and your order, placing your holding your order. If you decided that you did not any longer want to continue with the order, you can cancel it at any time. However, that $250 that you paid is non-refundable. Thank you for joining us today on Digital Atoms. Hit that subscribe button down below and that notification bell so that you can get notified when we upload new content. There will be new content coming as we take our delivery, and we hope that you come back and see us. Thank you for joining us. If you have any questions, put them in the comments, and I will be sure to answer them as soon as I can. Adios.